It's reading time with Steffi. The book I've chosen today is Don't Forget Dexter, written by Lindsay Ward. Please subscribe to my channel as I'm adding new books each week. And if you enjoyed this story, please give it a like. Is anyone there? Oh, hi! I'm Dexter. Dexter T. Rexter. Can you help me? I'm looking for my best friend Jack. We came here together for a checkup. We were colouring and then I looked up and Jack was gone. It's been a really long time, like forever. Maybe you've seen him. I know. I'll make you a picture. My friend. How can you not remember him? He was just here. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to shout. Please don't go. Hey, you think you guys saw him? Excuse me, hello, Mr. Fish? Have you seen my best friend, Jack? I know. I'll ask this lady up there. Bet she knows where Jack is. Hello, Miss Lady? Can you help me? I know. I'll sing our song. Then Jack will come back and find me. Dexter, Dino, stomp through the swamp. Dexter, Dino, chomp, chomp, chomp. He'll be here in a second. Maybe he can't hear me. I know. I'll sing a little louder. Dexter, Dino, stomp through the swamp. Dexter, Dino, chomp, chomp, chomp. Is he coming? Do you see him? I don't understand. How could he forget me? I sang our song. Why isn't he coming back? Oh no. What if he left me here? On purpose? Nope. This isn't happening to me. I'm Dexter T. Rexter. The toughest, strongest, coolest dinosaur that has ever been. Ever. Right? I mean, look at my tail. See how swishy it is? Swish, swish, smash. And I've got big teeth. Chomp, chomp, chomp. And my claws are pretty sharp. Scratch, scratch, roar. And my feet, they make this really cool sound. Listen. Stomp, stomp, stomp. What do you mean? Maybe he likes something more than me? Like another toy? Oh no. You don't think? No, not that. Anything but that. Cars and trucks and things that go. I can't compete with that. I can't honk. I can't beep. I can't even make revving sounds. Grrr. Ah. Splash. What if I never get out of here? No more stomping, no more chomping, no more singing. I love singing. No more playtime, no more bath time, no more bedtime snuggles, no more Jack. He's really never, ever, ever, ever coming back. Dexter! He's back! I knew it, and you were so worried. Dexter, Dino, racing around the room. Dexter, Dino, vroom, vroom, vroom.